everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel a Moomoo account deletion request. If you've recently requested to delete your Moomoo trading account but you've changed your mind, then follow these steps to regain access to your account. First of all, open up the Moomoo application on your mobile device and from the welcome screen, tap on Login. Go ahead and enter your user ID or your email. Make sure to type in the same credential that you were currently using for your deleted account. After typing down the credential, click on Continue. On the next page, write down your password and finally click on Continue. Make sure that you are typing in your correct password. Now click on the Cancel Account Deletion button and your deletion request has been cancelled. Now click the Continue button and you will be able to regain access back to your account. So that's how you can easily cancel a Moomoo account deletion request. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.